now we're going to combine journalizing and posting together. First, we looked at chart of accounts and knew what the charts are, the accounts are. Then we looked at journalizing and how to record them. Now we're going to take something that has been journalized and recorded and post them to the ledger, which is the full chart of accounts. So here we go. We'll give some examples, and this would be what I would call the third step in the accounting cycle. So here we are. This is called posting, and this is where you're taking debits and credits from the journal entries and putting them into the accounts, and the ledger, and this is called posting. So here we go. We've got, they paid a premium for $2,400 for insurance policy for liability, theft, and fire. The policy covers 1 year. So that's a prepaid insurance, and that's an asset. So it debits prepaid insurance and credits cash. Again, look at this. Let's make sure we've got the accounting equation intact. Okay. We decreased one asset and increased another asset. So we're good on that entry. Let's go down and look. Now, I'm ready to post this. Usually what you'll do is you will record and journalize transactions for the week, and then on Friday you will take and post them to the ledger. So you won't be posting daily, or typically you don't. You would post, if you're running a manual system, you would do it weekly, more than likely. So now we have posted this, and we have journalized it, and now we're going to post it. So this is the journal, and this is the ledger. This is the account prepaid insurance. So what you're going to do is take this, and prepaid insurance needs to be increased by $2,400. And that's what this entry right here is doing into this posting. So let's dig a little deeper with it and go one step at a time. So we have a debit here. So you're going to have a debit in the actual account. And this is your debits and credits, and this would be your balance. So you have a debit here. Your balance for this line is $2,400 debit. Next is the post reference. This is coming from page 2 in the journal, and that goes right here. Next, you have a cross-reference, okay? This is account 15, and that's a post reference that goes into the journal so that you know where you posted it. What account did you post it in? And finally, you are going to do the same thing for the cash account. So you've had prepaid, now you've got cash here that has to be credited. So we post it here. Now we're going to come down in the cash account. We're going to put the date in. We're going to put the post reference, page 2. We're going to put the amount, $2,400, as a credit. We're going to say, oh, I need to subtract that from the balance, and I have a new balance of $3,500. And then you have the cross-reference here of account 11. So that's how you post to the general ledger. And as I said, you will take that and you will do that each week. Normally you're probably going to have, it's very similar to running a checkbook, only you're going to go into more depth. Instead of just writing down what you did with it, you're going to actually record it into a general ledger accounting book. So that's posting. We will do an exercise with that. This is the most important, though. Remember the layout. Here's your journal entry, and they all get transferred down each to each account. So you have 2 accounts here. You have 2 accounts in the ledger that would be posted to.